Your first alert forecast with Chief Meteorologist Chad Crilly.
It has been another scorching summer day around the Wiregrass with temperatures in the mid-90s and the heat index in the low 100s. Luckily today, we're not seeing as many showers and thunderstorms bubble up as we did yesterday afternoon. Still, there is a low chance, about a 20% chance of a passing shower through this evening. We'll pull out, show you the bigger picture. There's an area of high pressure over the Atlantic. It's been here all week long, and the flow has been out of the southeast for us here in the Wiregrass, pumping in the warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico, bringing in some of those higher heat index numbers and also leading to our daily shower and thunderstorm chances. Watching some thunderstorms here over the Gulf of Mexico. The Hurricane Center is actually monitoring this area. More on that in just a second, but we're also keeping tabs on a cold front that's pushing through parts of the southern plains at the moment. It will move into the Wiregrass by early next week. We'll talk about that too in just a minute. It is 95 degrees outside in Dothan, 96 right now in Ozark. We have 94 degrees in Enterprise, a little cooler in Geneva at 86, 81 in Florala. There's a bit more cloud cover there. If you're heading out tonight for Friday night football, the weather looks warm, 87 degrees here when most of the games are going on. It will be partly cloudy and that 20% chance of a passing shower, not enough rainfall to impact any of the games outside. It is almost Labor Day weekend, and if you're planning on being outside, both Saturday and Sunday are completely dry days. It will be warm. We'll have temperatures in the mid-90s. Monday looks downright hot, 97 degrees for a high temperature. That front begins to approach from the north, so there's about a 40% chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Not a washout for us, which is the good news, but if you have outdoor plans on Labor Day, maybe heading to the beach from Destin to Panama City, keep an eye to the sky. Those thunderstorms could be rumbling in. Here's Monday at 8 o'clock. Notice that frontal boundary is draped across the area with scattered showers and storms. This front stalls out Tuesday into Wednesday, so renewed chances for showers and storms. At this time, the opportunity for severe weather is very low, but some heavy rainfall is possible, and that rain and cloud cover really going to bring temperatures down. Let's give you another update on the tropics. There's a lot going on, starting with this first wave moving off the west coast of Africa. We're not sure what happens with this one yet. It has a 20% chance of development over the next week. Plenty of time to watch it. A new area of interest in the Gulf of Mexico. This was added this morning, 20% chance of development with that cluster of showers and storms we showed you off the coast of Texas. The good news is it'll move onshore, whatever it is, development or not, and bring rainfall to Texas and Louisiana. Shouldn't impact us, but there is another system we're watching, this tropical wave out here in the central Atlantic that has a 40% chance of development over the next week. And it will develop very slowly, so by Wednesday morning, this system is south of Haiti and the Dominican Republic, trying to get its act together. I'm not sure that we have a center of circulation just yet at that point, but by next Friday, south of Cuba, most of our guidance does have a tropical depression, maybe a tropical storm, so we'll keep an eye on it. It's too early to determine exactly what happens after that. In the near term, hot, humid Saturday and Sunday. That front does bring in a better chance of storms on Monday. Thunderstorms likely Tuesday and Wednesday, and also quite a bit cooler as well in the mid-80s, so there's that fall cool down.
We are certainly waiting for that. 96, 96, 97 the next few days. That is not going to be fun.
No, we'll get through it though.
Yes, we will. Well, some people might be very hot at